Guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing good and welcome back to another video. Today in this video we're gonna look at the MIUI 13 port ROM for our Redmi Note 8. As you can see here, I am having the latest MIUI 13 on my Redmi Note 8. So in this video I will be covering all features, all the available features and the issues, and in the last of this video I will also show you how you can install it on your Redmi Note 8. So without any further ado, let's get started. I am informing you that this ROM is not official, and this one is a ported ROM. Basically the MIUI 13, this ROM is not officially released for our Redmi Note 8. This one is a ported ROM for our Redmi Note 8, and this is made by the developers. But don't worry, I will show you how you can install it on your Redmi Note 8 in the last of this video. So first of all, let's have a look on the My Device section. As you can see here, first of all we have the MIUI version, which is the 13.0.10, and it is showing the stable right here, but it is not that stable to be used as daily driver. Here you can check your storage, device name. In the all specs, you have your device name and RAM, which is showing 4+1. It means in this ROM we will be getting expandable memory option. So other than that, we have the Android 11 pre-installed in this ROM. So maybe in future we will get the MIUI 13 with the Android 12. So the security patch is also latest 1 December 2021. Now first of all, let's talk about the what's new and what's all in this ROM. Overall, we have a lot of new features from the MIUI 13, but the latest MIUI 13 widgets are not available for the home screen. As you can see here, all the widgets are old, and in future maybe we will get the updated MIUI 13 widgets. And in the control center we still have the old control center style. As you can see here, it is not updated in this ROM, but some of the things are updated, like if you go to this settings, then go to wallpaper and personalization, agree, and in the wallpaper section you will get the new live wallpapers from the MIUI 13. As you can see here, the overall available and working without any issue on your Redmi Note 8. The overall experience of this ROM is quite smooth for now. Maybe when you will get using it for much more time and installing all your daily driver application, it will be getting a little bit laggy and buggy. For now it is working perfectly. As you can see here, in the camera we have the Google camera pre-installed right here, and we don't get the MIUI camera, but the Google camera is working okay. You can take photos, portraits, you can also record the videos, and it works pretty well. Other than that, the security application is also much updated from the MIUI 13. As you can see here, we have a lot of security options, and from the video toolbox you can look at the massive amount of the functions right here. As you can see here, app lock, dual apps, hidden apps, manage application. We also have the battery section right over here. You can do the cleaning from this toolbox. No need to install any third-party applications. Let me clear that this ROM is not stable and you can't use it as your daily driver, but you can install it for experimental purposes. And this ROM is not stable because this one is ported ROM, and you can face a little bit lagness and buggy experience after installing some applications. I have not installed any game on this, that's why I can't show you any gaming experience. Now let's dig into the settings. And in the settings, some things are updated and some things are not updated. Like if you go to the sounds and vibrations, In the notifications, now we get the nature sound effects right here in the notifications. Other than that, all the options are same, and after it, if you go to the lock screen, all the functions are same. In the display, all the functions are same from the MIUI 12. And in the security option, here we have all the security options available. Like in the lock screen, we have pattern, pin and password, and shutdown password, and maybe we also have the fingerprint lock, but there is no any option to add a fingerprint lock into the security option. As you can see here, there is no any option to add your fingerprint. We don't have the fingerprint, we don't have the face unlock. Other than that, let's go to the privacy options. And in the privacy protection, we have the all new privacy section right here. You will never see any old feature right here. All the protections and all the features are updated from the latest version of the MIUI. And after it, we have the battery, and in the battery we also have the all new battery section right here. You can check your battery usage, you can turn on the ultra battery saver, and if you swipe to left, you will get automated tasks, and you can also schedule power on and off. Here you will also get the battery temperature and how many times you charge your phone today. So that's a good feature. Now if you go to the app section, here you will see a new option called secure mode, and this one is also new from the MIUI 13. And after it, in the additional settings, we also have the memory extension right here. Over here you can enable the memory extension if you want 1 GB extra in your ROM, so the RAM. After it, the overall experience is pretty much smooth, but this cannot be used as your daily driver. You can install this ROM for experimental purposes, so it looks pretty much good, but not the major things are changed. We still get the old MIUI 12 launcher, we still get the old control center, and a few things are updated, and that's a good thing. But if you still want to install this ROM, follow the next part of this video. To install this ROM, you need to download a few things. First one is the MIUI 13 ported ROM for the Redmi Note 8. Second one is the Magix zip file, and third one is the DM variety bypass. So after downloading these three files, you need to reboot your device into any installed custom recovery by pressing and holding the power button plus volume down button, but it is opening the, I don't know why it is opening the assistance again and again. So after going to the recovery mode, first of all you need to wipe some partitions. Like first of all you need to wipe all of these. Just select every single partition except the internal storage and SD card partition. Wipe right from here. I am not going to wipe because I already installed this ROM. After wiping it, go back to home. Now click on install. From here you need to locate your downloaded ROM. Here's my ROM, as you can see here, MIUI HM Note 8. This one is the MIUI 13 ported ROM. Just install it. After installing, go back. Flashing Magix is mandatory. It will never work if you do not install the Magix zip file. Just select the Magix zip file and flash it right from here. After flashing the Magix zip file, you need to flash the disabled DM variety to encrypt your internal storage. Flash it. After flashing these three files, go to reboot, click on reboot system, and the MIUI 13 ported ROM will be installed on your Redmi Note 8. So it will take a few time to do it, and all the download links are in the description. So hope you guys like this video. If you really did, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Peace.